Do you want to give your Holley high ram equipped vehicle an additional 150 horsepower, reduce IATs by 100 degrees, and rid your engine of carbon buildup? Then you need this Holley high ram plenum plate direct port water methanol system. We have combined performance, quality, and ease of installation in this new water methanol direct port plate system engineered specifically for your Holley high ram. Water methanol increases your pump gas octane by 25 points, giving you race gas performance straight from the pump. And get ready to make more power more efficiently out of an engine that's running cooler than ever, thanks to the cooling properties of water methanol. This system comes complete with a custom built aluminum water methanol injection direct port plate, braided stainless line, 4AN fittings offering unsurpassed reliability and ease of installation, and our 300 PSI ultra high output pump for more flow than the competition. Our stage 2.5 systems utilize the progressive BC50 controller that proportionally injects more or less water methanol according to your boost pressure. Proportional injection according to boost pressure gives an accurate delivery of water methanol and allows cooling and performance improvements over a wide range for improved drivability. The start and full points are adjustable for the engagement and delivery curve to match exactly what your engine requires. The BC50 controller offers the functionality of a boost gauge and water methanol controller all in one. Highlighting a 7-color OLED screen, you can tailor the controller to match your OEM gauges or mix and match up to 2 colors. If you're ready to give your boosted high ram more power safely, this is exactly what you need. For more information, you can visit us at www.snowperformance.net or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1.